Hey everybody, you may be wondering what are we doing out here? Well, with the washing machine laying on its belly. Well, if you look closely, you'll see that the washing machine, the bottom is rusted out. See right there? It's rusted out. Right there. See, it's all rusted out. So, it just falls down from the... let me shrink this back down from this. It should be setting on that, but because all the edge rusted out, it just falls down, and then the wheel starts rubbing right here. You can see where this is where the pulley rubbed because it just fell down. That pulley on the front there. This is the front, but that pulley rubs, and it'll probably well, make a mess. The other thing we did too is took off one of the hoses, the drain hoses. This thing right here, I think it is. And what you find in there is coins that people leave in their pockets. So those are the coins we found. So what we've done, we've taken my stainless steel sheet, 1/2 mil thick, and we've bent it into elbows, or L's, drilled holes, and now we're riveting it to the bottom of here, and we're gonna we drilled all the holes everywhere, top, bottom of the L and top of the L. Now we're gonna slide it there onto here, and then we're going to, like I said, we've already drilled all the holes here, so these holes are guide holes for when we put it on there and drill through the side of that and rivet it all to there, and then we should be back in business. But we got one more here to go. So we're gonna drill the hole. Like I said, we already got all of our guide holes. And that goes through plastic really quick. And these are stainless steel tabs, so we're using a high-speed steel drill bit there, or it won't go through the stainless. Actually, cobalt, high-speed steel cobalt mixture is best for stainless, but this is just 1/2 mil thick, so we can get away with the high-speed steel without the cobalt mixture. You're gonna rivet. Now, what's that? The gun won't fit in there. It's too close to that thing.
The drill is wrong.
It's too close to that side. Yeah. Yeah, we got a hole that's too close to one of the forming thing, and the gun won't reach in there. The tip of the rivet gun rubs against the side. There we go. Now we got it in the right place. We used a different L.
It's not straight.
There we go. Okay. We got those. We got one more over on that side. Make sure it's not too close to the. Yeah, it can't be too close to here. You can't do the same thing. We can drill a new hole here if we need to. Just flip it and get it on the right side. It's the opposite of what you think. Well, that's too close. Go. Oh, no. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's okay. I can't see from up here, and I don't have my glasses. So we're drilling. This is my little electric drill that I bought for 1,300 pesos, which is still a lot of money, $26 US, but it's cheap plastic, but it works. We've been using it for over a year now and drilling on the boat for a lot of heavy duty work. There we go. Now that's plenty good. There we go. Now we're in good shape. This is a Samsung, by the way. I recommend you buying good quality stuff, but because it was outside, outdoors, over here, it gets, wet. And it's a washing machine, so, it's going to get wet anyway. But if your bottom ever rusts out, this is the fix here. Just get some stainless steel tabs. You can use galvanized metal, but that'll rust out again. But these, I just happen to have stainless steel for my paddles. Paddles for the Paradise Trimaran are made out of this, the blades. Okay, so now we're going to get busy on that. We're going to set it in there. We're going to reach through this hole and drill through these holes and through the sides there, and then rivet from the outside in. So there we go.
Okay.
Yeah, that's plenty. Yeah, it's going to hold. Okay, we're debating how many of those tabs we need, but we got all the tabs we need.
You have to
Cut that.
cut this.
Okay.
Grinder it.
Okay, let me do this just a second. Yeah, if you slide that on the concrete, it scratches the paint, and then you're going to rust the front of your washing machine.
What from?
If you slide that, it's going to scratch it. And then when you scratch through the paint, then you've got
Take it out.
a little bit exposed. Let's see if Lyndon doesn't cut off his arm. Yeah, Lyndon, you need glasses.
Goggles.
Yeah.
Not at all.
Yeah.
I don't wear goggles.
Yeah, because if you get that in your eye, it doesn't come out. It's too small. They can't see it. But that's a good space, yeah. 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 If you change sides and go like that, then it throws the sparks down, not up.
This.
No. If you stand on this side here and you cut like that, then it's throwing the sparks down, not in your eyes. So if you come and get on this side, here. Let me move this. Wait. Cutting off this flange here. Got to cut that top off too, because there's another tab at the back that goes there. Taking the sharp edges off. The little razor blade edges. Go like this. Yeah, you can feel that. That's not so bad. Should be good, yeah, but watch your hands. It's still got some sharp points. No, that one's cut. I mean, it's not going to do no good to cut more. Now, we shall put this in here.
But you're gonna drill first, right?
No, you have to put that in and then drill. You have to drill through this hole from the inside. No, yeah, that goes on. Oh, you're gonna move it over here? Well, no, you can't stand it.
Di man ka stand pa.
No, it has to lay down. But go ahead and move. Honey, get a broom. Get a broom
Broom.
and sweep all the sharp shavings off of here. Okay, we're going to. Yeah, wait a minute. It's going to lay down. It's going to lay down on here. The same as there. It's going to lay down.
Oh, get out there, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, lang, kapit lang.
Okay, yeah.
Dito,
You
tabangan ka
can
na
grab
to,
it
bro.
by the tub.
Kanin tabo
You can
ko,
grab it
anak
by
ko,
the
di
top.
ba? Bro.
Yeah. Honey, watch your feet and legs, honey. Your toes are right. No. No, not that way. No. No, the same as it was. The same as it was.
What you mean?
It lays
Inani lagi
right,
po ibutang
right,
ka diri, bro.
right here,
Inana,
the same as it was.
Sige.
Honey, rotate it back
Okay, back.
and then lay it right here. Honey,
Dapat.
Back.
Asa sa dito?
this way. Watch your feet, honey. You touch that sharp thing there. Okay. Yeah, like that. Okay. And then this goes inside. Turn that right side up. Right side up. This goes inside. Inside here.
So to ba?
No. Inside here.
Yeah, diri lang ko lang.
Inside here. Now get the drill inside.
Yeah,
Hold the
come
drill
drill.
inside and drill coming out.
Oh, dalan drill, bro ay. Ito ka, bro.
But you know, we have to make sure it's tight where it should be right there.
Yeah, because there's a screw here.
Yeah, and we could rivet that too if we wanted to.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? Yeah, can the drill fit in there?
Makapit ka, makadrill ka diha, bro.
Maligo ba rin? Oh yeah.
Yeah. Huh? And just drill through that hole. Watch your finger. Don't drill your finger.
Oh, ano ba sa? Mo na ba na?
Oh, yeah.
This is lined up perfect. Watch it.
Nyanyara ka jud lang, wala
Yeah,
man
honey,
is ang
tell,
screw, bro. The screw is not lined up in here.
Okay, well, where's the screw?
How do screw niya?
Yeah, just put the screw in.
Screw ni gibutang.
Yeah. Here we go. It's like a circus here.
Line up like
Yeah,
that.
just put the
That's
screw there and put the screw here, and then everything will stay in place. And that'll hold it there. And then the same here. Close that one, put the screw in, and that side will stay where it goes, and then nothing is going to move around on you.
And this one, no, in the bottom too.
If you want.
Yeah.
Ano pa na?
Oh, kana. Ang dili ng
They're speaking Cebuano if you don't know the language.
That's it.
Okay.
On that one.
And then drill here and drill here, and as you drill, you know, riv, but make sure this is pushed up to where it goes.
Push up to where it goes.
Actually, why don't you drill this one first? Yeah. Pull this out. Pull this out past here.
But
Okay, now drill that one. And make sure it's all lined up.
lined up.
And then drill that one first. And that one will hold it where,
Okay,
you
yeah.
know,
Nahon na to na, bro.
where, you know, where.
Oh, nahon na siya.
Bro, ano? Sakto na ba na?
Is that right now, honey?
Looks pretty good.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, wala naman siya. Okay.
Yeah, that should be good.
That's so good, no? Looks good.
Yeah. Watch your finger. Don't drill your finger. I've seen that happen. You hold it and you drill your finger, and that's bad. That's a bad day for washing machine repair.
There.
Okay, and now riv it from this side.
Three bits na.
Hey, what is this?
Okay.
Who did this? Who did this work? Who did this work? We need to get that repaired.
Where's asa itong three bits ni mga bag ko?
Honey, give him a rivet.
Ah, ma! May palit!
Ma!
Ano bits bag ubi? Bag.
Asa itong three bits nga bag ko?
Yeah. And then the gun. Well, where's the
The
good
new.
gun? Where's
I
the
don't
new
know
gun?
where's the good
Oh
gun.
no, we lost it. Did Rocky eat it? Rocky ate it. Rocky ate the new gun. Got to be here. Oh, here, in the chair.
In the chair.
Come from the outside.
Forward.
Don't move it too much because you're gonna move the hole. See the hole move now. There you go. Yeah. We're gonna pop that one in. There you go. Okay, now it's locked. Now you can drill in the center first. Drill the, like there. Can you reach that one?
Yeah.
With the drill? Okay. Well, I'm going to have to put the camera down because I'm going to help hold. Unless you can, honey. Why are you holding these? Help.
What I'm gonna do?
Well, help. Just pushing in the side. Yeah, but keep your finger away from the drill.
Ma! Asan si Mama? Kung sa lang sa tubig?
Yeah.
Ma!
It's raining a little bit. You can see the raindrops.
You can drill this.
Yeah. And again, watch your finger. You don't want to drill a hole in your finger. Where's your finger? Where's your finger? Get your finger out. No, get your finger away from there. There. Yeah.
Ako na ba?
Unsa man?
Now you can rivet it from the outside. Yeah, should be good. Okay, so we're going to press on with this, and hopefully nobody drills a finger, loses a finger, or anything like that. And we will be back probably with a working washing machine. Paradise. That's a Samsung, by the way, which is a good brand. That's the only brand I buy is Samsung. I don't buy any other brand. Everything else seems to be less than Samsung quality, if you ask me. I've never had a bad experience with Samsung, so that's why I'm singing their song. So we'll be back with more. My Paradise on Bantayan Island. Washing machine repair in the Philippines. Paradise out. Right, everybody. We got it all back in there. And it's sitting down. And it doesn't even rock. Not at all. I mean, I'm pushing right now to try to make it rock, and it don't rock. So we're good. We got it all leveled, and we're good to go. So do a little wash up, a little clean up, and then we'll be back in action. And laundry is going to start producing. This is Rocky. He likes to stand up like a human. He actually does, and he can stand up and almost walk on his back feet. See, he likes that. He likes to stand up and use his paws while he's got hands, and then he wants to chew on your fingers because he's that kind of dog. He uses his front feet like their hands. It's interesting to watch him. But anyway, this is a washing machine video, not a dog. So we will be back with more of My Paradise on Bantayan Island. Paradise out.